What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to locate and remove your cabin air filter in a 2019 Ford F250 Super Duty. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open the glove box. Then we're going to open the small glove box. And then you're going to grab the little rubber insert there, pop that thing out. Now you're going to get a 7mm. You need to just pop these screws out of here. Pop these screws right out. Get them screws. Set those screws aside. Now you should be able to grab this. Just pop it right out of there. Now we're not going to disconnect these cables. We're just going to rotate this over and out of the way. Just like so. Now, on this door, sliding door, should be a tab right there. We have to pull that up, slide that out, slide it out of the hole. Then you should have two tabs here, one on each side. Get both hands around, and it should let your glove box fall down. Now you should be able to see that box up there. Now you just got to clip. It's kind of hard to do with your hand, one hand, but it should just pop down, and you should be able to pull out. It should have airflow pointing down. I think that's the original air filter. Not really sure. Might be your original air filter number. I'll pull it out. It's not too bad. Feels kind of heavy. Then put it back together. You just follow. You just slide the other one in. Same direction. And just do everything in reverse. Everything should just snap together like it should, nice and easy. I hope this video was helpful, and it was really appreciated if you would just like and if you just subscribe. You guys take care, stay safe, have a great weekend.